So in this video, we're going to discuss the results from our neural network. So here's our training loss and accuracy. I have the two samples, and it's basically a tensor. So let's draw it as an image to help clarify what's going on. So we input our image, and we have a two-layer input. So we apply convolution, and we get the activation like that. Let's apply the activation function and max pooling in one shot. So we get something like that. Now as you can see, it's already looking more like a horizontal line. These missing data points aren't as prevalent. And you can see that basically these black spaces on either side are missing. We take those two inputs and we apply them to our second layer. And unfortunately, this layer is not as intuitive. It's actually doing some edge detection. But when we look at the output, we'll see some really interesting things. We'll apply the activation and the max pooling, and we get something like this. And as you can see, it looks a lot more like a horizontal line. There's no missing pieces, and it's actually expanding it out a little in this direction. And when we try the vertical line, something similar happens. And the line, basically the output, is a lot fatter. So it kind of acts like an amplifier. Now that we got a kind of a basic intuitive idea that's going on, let's go over the missed data set.